The recent escalation in Gaza has drawn strong condemnation from Arab leaders who accuse Israel of intensifying its bombing campaign with the aim of driving Palestinians out of the enclave. This comes after months of fragile ceasefires and rising tensions. Israel justifies its actions as a response to attacks from Hamas, which controls Gaza, but the humanitarian cost has been devastating. Thousands of civilians have been displaced or killed, prompting calls from the United Nations and other international actors to end the violence and resume peace talks. The situation remains critical, highlighting the urgent need for diplomatic solutions to prevent further suffering in the region.